A new manufacturing facility is opening in Carlsbad to produce COVID-19 test kits. The Quidel Corporation created a new 128,000 square foot facility by renovating an existing building that will enable the company to produce up to 600 million QuickVue COVID tests every year. Carlsbad is home to many businesses in the life sciences industry, and the city partnered with Quidel to get the facility up and running in record time.
We know that speed is critical to businesses, and in this case, it can literally help save lives.
We would not be here today if it weren't for the excellent relationship with the folks at the city. The permits went along very smoothly, which was extraordinarily helpful. There's a huge number of people from which we can draw, people that are qualified and anxious to be part of something like we're doing, and Carlsbad is an excellent city from which we can attract those types of people.
We're also proud to report that Quidel's new facility will bring more than 400 new jobs to Carlsbad.
The jobs include engineers, chemists, technicians, manufacturing, support services, and more. To learn about the new jobs as they become available, visit the Carlsbad Life in Action website.